Hi, I just want to do an unboxing today. I'm really in a hurry, but I don't want you to miss what I just bought very recently. And okay, I just have to show you what I normally buy and I cannot do without. Okay, so again, I bought 4 things here, which should also be here inside my bag. So I have an event, and I told them that I'm going to bring coffee. So I have our 3-in-1 coffee, which is, you know, so friendly when you have a group of people. So I'm going to a recollection, and I'm bringing this. Now, I ran out of serum. And the good news about this in the Absolute CellActive Serum is they had a promo on having your PV at a higher value. So I got this because I'm running out of this. I'm just so happy that the PV is higher. So I took advantage of it. Now this one, okay, I showed you the laundry detergent, which is in powder form. Now I just want you to know that they also have laundry detergent in liquid form. So there are 2, okay? This one, let me open it. I'm just here in the bed. They have this, and this is the liquid laundry detergent. So if you want to use the liquid form, you can use this. But all I'm saying is that the powder form is more economical because they last longer. But if you want to use something for your delicates, I'm not saying that the powder can't be used for that, then you can have this. What I do is that, especially when I travel, I do put this in a small container. And I bring this for my delicates. And that's what I do if I have to wash something in the hotel. Like, you know, your lingerie, your intimates. This is what I use. Now, we also have our fabric softener. And you know what? These two really both have really a good scent. They're not overpowering, they're not very strong, but they're truly effective. So don't forget to have these things in your day-to-day. This is something that should be in your home. And if you want to be more economical, you can switch to the powder form. That's okay. And then again, these are very good for your skin, no allergies. And if you want to do manual washing, that is also okay. What to do with the water, please don't throw. You can water your plants. I live in a condominium, and you know, what I do is I just soak them, my stuff, my intimates, and then you can, if you have plants inside the room, in which case I have plants in my room. So what I do is I just really use the water to water the plant, and it won't hurt it. Okay, so tell me, what are the secrets, the things that you've been finding out with your purchase from Atomy? Let me know.